Now let's go to the matter that triggered the ire of the defense. Is it correct that during cross-examination, misleading or leading questions are not allowed, both in a regular court of law as well as in the impeachment court? Which
The
was
rule
the
is very
subject, sorry, which was the subject of the social media post of Attorney Ligutan.
well. The rule is very clear. During cross-examination, you may ask leading questions, but you cannot ask misleading questions. So malinaw yan, says. So even I, when I was listening, nabigla ako dun sa sinabi na pwede daw. But now, upon manifestation by the lead counsel, mukhang inexplain niya yon na hindi daw yun ang ibig sabihin niya. But of course, for us, without that explanation, na after the fact, nung narinig namin, para bang pinilit niya na pwede daw. So, there's a misunderstanding here. So, it triggered that reaction perhaps from Attorney Ligutan. I don't know in what context he put that post in social media. Anyway, he'll be heard before the ruling is made by the presiding officer.
Right. But I looked at the portion again, and because the explanation of Attorney Season was the retort of Attorney Ferrer was not pertaining to the misleading question, but to another. Pero it seemed to be, she agreed. She said it's allowed.
Yes, that's how I heard it also.
Yes.
So, without the explanation, yun ang dinig nating lahat. So now they come up with an explanation. I cannot disagree with the lead defense counsel that we have to respect each other. We have to observe propriety as lawyers. And I'd be the first one to request and remind them that as lawyers, we need to behave much better than that. But whether or not that post by Attorney Ligutan refers to that particular thing, yung kanyang interpretation is another thing. But of course, if you insist that that is a violation of the sub judice rule, no? Yung Rule 18, medyo malabo because it doesn't really speak of the merits of the case. Yun ang bawal kasi sa Rule 18, to discuss outside the court the merits of the case.
Pero parang siguro patong-patong na ang feeling ng defense na masyado nang nabubuli si Attorney Ferrer ni Attorney Kapunan.
Yes, that's I see that also. But in fairness to her also, she's very feisty. Hindi naman siya basta-bastang nabubuli. So I don't also, and she was very quick. She couldn't be restrained